Bridgefy app, how to use it. So let's just take a look at this app. It's getting some trending recently. Offline messages. Here is the app. So the idea is that you can use Bluetooth instead of internet to send messages within 100 meters, 330 feet. Share messages with every Bridgefy user around you in the public chat. Use Bridgefy during natural disaster at school, during protests, and while traveling. There is also new dark mode. So this app was here for a while. You can see some reviews. Some people are complaining that this is a bit scammy or this is a junk app. Well, the idea is kind of cool, right? So that you can send messages with Bluetooth, and this is a like handy use case. So and then let's just enable Bluetooth here, and then I just wanted to create an account here. And then you just need to choose your avatar, select your username. All right. Let's try maybe to sign in or something. Whatever, I just want to show you. And then you can allow notifications, you can allow tracking, and there it is. So then you just see near you. Seems like there are no other Bridgefy users near you right now. And then there is like a public chat where there will be all the people around you in the using Bluetooth and using this app, and then you can just message. And also you can just remove ads for 99 cents per 1 month, and then there are settings. You can block people, there are sounds, read receipts, use Face ID to unlock Bridgefy. So that's the idea, and then you just have, that's how it looks like. I don't know how to create a new chat, but at the moment you just see a public chat and just discovering people near you. So that's what you can see here, and that's the idea, and that's what you have here. So yep, something like that, and there you have it.